Hey, so this is day one at my new flip over here in Lakeside. I took possession of this property about a month ago, but the family needed some time to move out, so this is my first day back in about almost 4 weeks altogether. So let's go inside and let's have a see what it looks like. This is the first time I've been in, so you're getting a first look at a brand new flip we're about to start. So when you come in, you see a kitchen. Needs a little bit of love, needs some appliances, needs some flooring. This is how you find them sometimes. You can see these guys, they lived here to the last moment. Got all their dishes out still. I think they had to have, tried to have like an estate sale yesterday. So you can see some stuff still around a little bit. I'll give you a shot back at the kitchen one more time. Front living room. See furniture still left. Again, easy stuff to deal with. Just a little extra hauling. Then we got a bedroom over here. And this freaked me out because the guy left his bed, his fan is still running. So I called the guy right away and said, "Hey, are you still here?" I was worried I might have somebody come pop back in on me. Bedroom number 2. And let's get some lights on for you here in the bathroom. So you can see very rustic, Texas style, I guess, bathroom. The jetted tub, no shower. We'll clean that up. Then you go back to what was added on years ago for this house. So this used to be the back porch. It was added on. So this big living room, little door out to the garage. Take a little walk into the garage real quick. It's a single car garage, but good space. So I need to get an opener here. The laundry room is out here, so I need to deal with that. A little bit of drywall repair. But there's the living room again that was added on. See outside, a little back deck, huge backyard. That's one of the things I like about the property. Family should fall in love with that. Then this was the master suite they added on. So you go down this little hallway. Good sized master bedroom. Little closet. Here's the master bath. So you see this little area, one vanity, and then the shower over here, a little bit of storage there. So yeah, this is the flip I just started, or about to start. Just got possession today over here in Lakeside. So I will document this one as we go. There's a look back. But look forward for updated pictures. I'll do a video when I come back every couple of weeks and just give you an update on how we did to rehab this one. Take care and God bless.